If your Instagram Reels try this template or Reels trial option isn't showing up, don't worry. This quick guide will help you fix it in just a few minutes. A lot of people face this issue, and most of the time, it's caused by simple app glitches or missing permissions. So let's walk through the solution step by step. First, open your phone's settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps, then search for Instagram and open it. Here, tap on Force Stop and confirm. This helps refresh the app's background activity. Next, go into Storage and tap Clear Cache. Don't worry, this won't delete your data or Instagram content. It just removes temporary files that may be causing the issue. After that, tap on Permissions and make sure every permission is allowed, especially camera, microphone, and storage. Missing permissions can prevent certain Reels features from appearing. Now, go to the Play Store or App Store, search for Instagram, and check if there's an update available. If yes, update the app. Instagram rolls out new features through updates, so having the latest version is important. Once you're done, restart your phone. This helps apply all changes and refresh the system. After the restart, open Instagram again and head to Reels. In most cases, the missing trial or try template option should now appear. And that's it. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.